I wanna show you how to add a lens flare effect transition in Premiere Pro. Let's go! I have prepared already 2 video clips attached one to another one. To start, go to your project panel, right click of the mouse, new item and select adjustment layer. Just click OK for the default settings. Drag the adjustment layer above the video clips. Position the timeline slider in the middle of 2 clips. From both sides make the adjustment layer shorter. Go to Effects and write Lens Flare. Drag your lens flare effect above your adjustment layer. Once you have already done, position your timeline slider again in the middle of 2 clips. Come back to Effects Control, go to Lens Flare and switch the flare brightness on. The first stopwatch icon will appear. Change the value from 100 to 200. Move your timeline slider to the beginning of the adjustment layer, and we are going to change the value to 0. Move again your time slider to the end of the adjustment layer, and again change the value to 0. Following, by the lens type, change the value to 105mm prime. Everything is ready, let's see the result. Guys, we are growing every day. Put your like and subscribe.